Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can go ahead and add text to your videos while editing on Premiere Pro. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, as you can see, I've already edited a video of mine, and in order for me to go ahead and add text into this video, all I want to go ahead and click on is this effect tab right over here, and over here on the search bar I want to simply go ahead and search for text. And as you can see, there is going to be a tab which opens which says video, and below that there is a simple plugin that says simple text. So all you want to do is just click and drag that onto your video, as you can see, not on the audio but on the video. And finally, once you have done that, there is the default text. So if you want to go ahead and edit what the text says, or when it says, you can simply click on this effect control tab up here and scroll all the way down until you see simple text. As you can see, over here you can play around with a bunch of things. As you can see, there is a edit text button. I can simply write this, or this is a tutorial, and as you can see, that's what the text says. And I can play around with its size, I can play around with its opacity, it's basically the background. I can also play around with its position, as you can see, and even if you want your text to just come out at a point of video, you can go ahead and do that by basically putting your text position below, or basically outside the boundary of the video, and click on this position toggle animation tab right over here, and just basically scroll a little bit and just play around with the settings until you see your text, as you can see, and it will basically just bring out the text. As you can see, it's just like a animation, a short animation you can play around with and find out how to basically make your videos look cooler. So if you thought this video was helpful for you, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And with that being, and make sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.